Hi guys, welcome to India.com. I am Chirag Sehgal. And if there's somebody who's the perfect example कि टेलीविजन के बाद बॉलीवुड के थ्रू कैसे लोगों के दिलों को जीता जाए, then it's Mrinal Thakur. Hi Mrinal, welcome to India.com. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Thank you for a great introduction. I didn't know I was ruling.
Mrinal, a lot has changed, like from Kum Kum Bhagya to Tufan till date. What do you
जी
think are the changes इतने सालों में?
ये हुआ है कि बॉलीवुड हैज embraced me and I feel extremely comfortable. और दूसरी चीज ये है कि अगर आप वैसे पूछो तो कुछ भी नहीं बदला, सब कुछ वही है, सब कुछ सेम है, सिर्फ मीडियम बदला है, माध्यम बदला है। शुरुआत की थी टेलीविजन से, अब फिल्मों पर। और क्योंकि अभी फिल्म ओटीटी पर भी आ रही है तो मेरे जो ऑडियंस है वो अपने घर पर बैठकर मेरा काम भी देख सकता है। तो अगर आप देखा जाए तो वी आर बैक टू स्क्वायर वन।
But as you mentioned, फिल्मों में ने आपको accept कर लिया है. So wasn't it that
जी
welcoming when you decided that okay, I need to shift from television to Bollywood?
मुश्किल था, बट आई एम हैप्पी कि तबरेज नूरानी जैसे फिल्म मेकर्स है जिन्होंने मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी दी, और काफी अदर टेलीविजन एक्टर्स के लिए भी उन्होंने अपॉर्चुनिटीज देते गए। एंड आई फील लाइक समवेयर डाउन द लाइन what we exactly want, what we want is good actors. Doesn't matter what background they're coming from. So, and also because of OTT platform, the opportunities have widened up, you know. Shows बन रहे हैं, films बन रहे हैं OTT के लिए। तो अलग अलग, not just TV से but बल्कि अलग अलग state से actors को लिया जा रहा है, and I'm really liking that change. और मुझे लगता है कि क्योंकि ये पैंडेमिक का फेज जो चल रहा था, वी हैव टू चेंज। और एक कांस्टेंट चीज जो होती है वो होता है बदलाव। So I'm happy that I am entering Bollywood in this phase जहाँ पे मेरी फिल्म एक OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पर आ रही है, काफी सारे देश उसे देख सकेंगे, और ना कि सिर्फ हिंदी में, बकायदा इंग्लिश में भी।
How was it working with Farhan?
Oh, it was wonderful working with him. And I have learned a lot of things. I have learned that there is no shortcut. I have learned that you have to give your 100%. And I have also learned from Farhan that music is such a key or a tool or a weapon in our life. uh, क्योंकि जब भी वो सीन्स करते थे तो उनके कानों में हेडफोन्स होता था, इन बिटवीन द शॉट्स वो कुछ म्यूजिक सुनते रहते थे, ना आई रियलाइज्ड कि that kind of related him, kind of helped him to get into the mood of the scene. And that's something that I started implementing in my life as well. So now when I'm shooting and if I feel like क्योंकि बाहर डिस्ट्रैक्शंस बहुत होते हैं, तो यू जस्ट पुट योर हेडफोन्स एंड एक गाना ऐसे चुनिए जो डिफाइंस द मूड ऑफ योर सीन। इट जस्ट गेट्स यू इनटू द मूड। सो बहुत लर्निंग, आई फेल्ट लाइक आई वाज अ स्टूडेंट ऑन द सेट, सो आई हैव लर्नड अ लॉट।
So when you were approached for the movie, what was the attraction point? Was it the script or Farhan?
When I first met at in Bandra, I met Rakesh sir, and I was very happy. Chirag, I was like, मुझे पता नहीं कि सर मुझे फिल्म ऑफर करेंगे या नहीं, लेकिन उनके सामने बैठ के मैं बातचीत कर पा रही हूँ, इट इटसेल्फ इज अ बिग अचीवमेंट फॉर मी। उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा आप क्या खाएंगे, कुछ पियेंगे, चाय कॉफी, एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड, राकेश सर मुझे पूछ रहे इफ आई वांट टू हैव कॉफी। सो दैट इटसेल्फ वाज अ बिग थिंग। My association with Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra was very important, and I knew ki whatever films he makes, it's going to be beautiful, and I want to be a part of that film. And the cherry on the top was the fact that Farhan was in it. Farhan and Rakesh sir, we've already seen them in Bhag Milkha Bhag. So मैं जानती थी कि whatever they'll make, you know, it is going to be epic. And I'm happy to be a proud, I am happy and proud to be a part of this epic journey.
I mean, it's not easy for anyone to step out of the comfort zone and then begin all over again. So, like you did from television to Bollywood, were you a little hesitant? It might work, it might not work. What were the thoughts then?
Chirag, I had told myself one thing, that life has given me one chance. Okay, this is not Ananya speaking, this is Mrinal. So एक कुहा होता है, एक वेल होता है जिसके अंदर मैं कूद चुकी थी, लेकिन आई वॉज हैंगिंग इन द बिटवीन। मुझे लगा कि इफ आई एम गोइंग टू थिंक अबाउट क्या होगा क्या नहीं, and if that seed of being an actor, Bollywood actor, is planted within me, I have to fulfill it. It was my dream. So मैं टेलीविजन तो कर ही लिया था, आधी छलांग तो मैंने मार दी थी, तो सोचा कि पूरी छलांग मारते हैं क्योंकि ये वक्त दोबारा नहीं आएगा. So that was the only thing that was playing in my mind, and I told myself that Mrinal, no matter what, you have to achieve your goals. It took me 7 years, Chirag, पर 7-8 साल लग गए, लेकिन आई एम हैप्पी. लोगों को लगता है कि मृणाल 3 साल में आपने सबके साथ काम कर लिया, यू आर सो लकी, बट दैट दे डोंट नो दैट द जर्नी स्टार्टेड couple of years ago.
I remember once you pointed out that when you decided this shift from television to Bollywood, somebody said, "अपने पैर पे खुद ही कुल्हाड़ी मार रहे हो." Do you remember some of these negative comments, or what do you want to say to them now?
I want to say a big thank you, because I feel I have reached here is because of them. And if they wouldn't have said that, I wouldn't have gotten motivated. और मैं उस टाइप की लड़की हूँ जिसको अगर कोई डीमोटिवेट करेगा तो I will take that as a challenge and I'll make sure that I'll do it.
So their demotivation turns to your motivation.
Yes, absolutely. And Chirag, this is what I want to tell to your audience also, कि लोग आएंगे और सोसाइटी का काम है हमें नीचे पुल करना, बट कितने ग्रेशियसली आप अपना सपना पूरा करते हैं और बिना कुछ बोले उनको सिर्फ एक बड़ा सा थैंक यू बोल दो. ट्रस्ट मी, बहुत सुकून मिलता है. And I think I am where I am today because of these people. So I'm very grateful कि उन्होंने मुझे demotivate किया ताकि मैं यहाँ तक पहुँच पाई.
But then talking about Bollywood demotivation, somebody not feeling welcomed, there are also people who opened up about their casting couch experiences. Have you ever experienced the same?
No, I have never experienced that. It's also because, Chirag, I had a vision for myself. I told myself I knew what I wanted to do. And if any point of time, if I felt that things were not right, it takes a lot of effort to say no. I have just said no and I've walked off because I never took that as my last opportunity. मुझे पता था कि मैं एक्टर बनने आई हूँ, पर इस फिल्म की ही एक्ट्रेस बनना है, that was not the end, So wherever I felt like things were not right, it was not okay, I graciously moved on.
But that overall sums up that it's a reality, and even you said no to.
I haven't gotten those vibes, and I made sure that wherever I went, it was a legit project. I made sure that all the names that I were working with were good. They were reputed, and they were actually making a movie. They were actually making movies. It's not like some random name has popped out. But my friends have told me that they have experienced this situation, and I'm really proud of them because they have said no as well, and they have walked off. And probably that's something that we need to keep, like, if the girls who are watching me right now, aspiring actors, I want to tell you all that this should not exist, and if it does, you need to say no, because there are many opportunities. This is not the last opportunity. There are many other things that will come up. So do not give up, and do not fall prey to such people who are trying to take advantage of you.
Wow, that's great. And moving on, we'll have a small game up. It's called Fans Ask. So some of your fans have sent some questions for you. We'll ask you and you'll have to answer that in like 30 seconds. Oh, so the first fan has asked, all of your roles you have played so far, of all the roles you have played so far, which one is your favorite and why?
I have two favorites. One is Ananya, that is from Tufan, because she's very close to my heart. And second is Sonia, because she's my baby. Sonia is my baby. That's my first film. Yeah.
How were you selected for Kumkum Bhagya? I think fans are still obsessed with Kumkum Bhagya.
I know they are. I was auditioning, and the script that I got for Kumkum Bhagya was Geet Ka from Jab We Met. So yeah.
आपकी cuteness का राज क्या है? This is what a fan has written.
I don't know. I get really shy when someone asks me these questions.
I think probably they want to ask your daily makeup hacks or something.
Oh, my makeup hacks are like just some moisturizer and some lip balm, lip color or a lip balm.
Since we're already talking about fans, I'm sure you must have experienced, some really funny fan moments, and like maybe sometime when a fan must have bumped into your sets or so. Any
Hmm.
any such incident that really makes you laugh?
Laugh ka pata nahi, but there's one memorable thing that happened with me. I'll never forget that. I had a fan who stalked me from Bombay till LA, and I was taking
Wow.
like multiple. I mean, she was on the same flight with me, but she made sure that she was observing me all the throughout the entire journey. And by the end of the journey, I actually walked up to her and I was like, "Hey, do you want to say something?" She said, "Yes, I did not find the courage to come walk up to you and tell you how brilliant you were in Love, Sonia." And I was like, "Thank you so much." And
That's
I
so
I could
sweet.
feel that. Yeah, it was a very sweet, memorable thing. And the thing was, she was not even Indian. She was somewhere from Asia, and it was really nice for somebody from not from your country to watch a movie and be your fan. And she said, "I was really not sure if it was you, but I'm so happy that you walked up to me, and thank you for doing that." So that was a sweet encounter.
Mrunal, we have seen you in Tufan, in Batla House, in Super 30. Is there a pattern that you follow while finding a script or a role?
Well, there is no pattern as such. I just believe that there needs to be a good script, a good film, and I make sure that whoever I'm working with, they are equally passionate enough, just like the way I am. So that's only my agenda. And when I was telling myself, when I was telling me that I want to be associated with Rakesh sir, the best thing was the story was also not just the story, but the character that he offered me
Yeah.
was amazing. I mean, who I did not expect to have a character named Song like Ananya, which is one of the most beautiful things that have happened. So इतना नहीं मांगा था लेकिन बहुत कुछ मिल गया. So I'm happy.
Before we wrap up, if there's say one
Yes.
genre or one role which you are like, यार ये तो करना ही है, मतलब आप बॉलीवुड में आए तो ऐसा कोई एक रोल तो करना ही है, then what it is?
Action. I love action. Like I love action movies. I'm a big Marvel fan. So even if I get to be a part of a Marvel journey, it'll be so amazing.
Wow,
Uh,
like I am your next level fan now, because Marvel fan, Marvel, I think they're like best friends now.
Yeah, I mean, not just Marvel, but I love Matrix series. I love Keanu Reeves, and I don't know. I want to get into that soon.
So
And
action
something
movies
very
in your
different.
list.
Yes, action movie and something for kids. I mean, I really want to do. I want to be a Cinderella. I want to be, playing some princess because it's been a while. There are films being made for kids out there.
Thank you so much, Mrinal, for joining us. It was wonderful talking to you. Congratulations for
Thank
your
you,
movie.
Chirag.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.